The composite market is a young market, and in the area where we mostly work, which is center of Europe, it is growing quickly in the last 2 or 3 years. Why is it growing? Weight reduction on transport mediums push the market to invest in composites. Composites nowadays are processed in a relatively low automation. So we invest and we develop in machinery which allows an automatic procedure of processing composites. And we expect that this growing market will jump over to Asia as well. It is different. Look, for example, the aircraft industry is using composites since many years. So in this area it is still growing, but it's still strong. But in the automotive market, at the opposite, it's becoming important more and more. The last years it was really not existing, just in a few special cars. And we expect a significant growth in the mass production market of automotive. The Asia market is a growing market. We see the development over the last few years, especially in the tiger countries and in China. And even during the crisis in the last few years, we have a specific growth here, and we think that we must be represented on this market. The Asia-Pacific region is producing cars since a few years, right? Malaysia is producing cars, Indonesia is producing cars, and the automotive industry is a mass production. It's a big volume market, and it is something like a leader for development of other markets as well. So the automotive market is very important for us, but more or less any transportation system, it may be bus, train, aircraft, even tractors, trucks, all these transportation mediums need to reduce weight significantly. You know the reasons why. And this always leads to a conclusion that composites will be having a growing percentage. We are machine builder, and we have developed our machines in 2 directions. Number 1 is to process, to form the composite. We produce specifically designed presses which can press composites in a more or less fully automatic way. This is the first direction. And the second one, after processing, you need to trim these products. And we make trimming machines for this purpose as well. These trimming machines are built as milling machines. They are built as ultrasonic cutting machines, and they are built as laser cutting machines. This JEC show is important in 2 directions for us. First one is to find interest, to find specific customers. This is clear. This is any exhibition is so. But the second direction is to find agents. Without people living in this country, understanding the mentality and translating between their market and ourselves, we cannot be successful.